What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks a million for clicking on the video. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. We're just a car discussion and reaction channel, guys. As basically it. Do check out my other videos, and it'd be even dope if you'll just smash the subscribe button and get involved. We're aiming for 2,000 subs at the end of the year. And a big thank you to everybody, sincerely thank you to everybody that's subscribed so far. We've gone over the 1,500 mark, which is amazing. The thing is, guys, when you're such a small channel trying to get to a certain point and you just blast over it over one or two videos is insane. So onwards and upwards. Again, guys, you know, where I live there's no supercars. This is why I do this thing. I am planning to get a project car in the summer, hopefully in July. I'm on the lookout for one and saving money for one as well. So I'm not rich, I'm just a normal guy, just big into my cars. And look, there's plenty to look forward to on the channel. I will do vlogs and stuff like that. We're still a bit in lockdown here in Ireland over the virus. But yeah, on today's episode, guys, we are going to be covering Triple F Connection, Dipper Car, and Supercars London, a few others as well. And also, guys, if you want to send me stuff on Instagram, do send it on. Any stories or videos you want to check out, or if you're a small car channel and want me to have a look at your channel to see if I'll bring it up here, do. I like giving small channels a chance, guys, because I'm a small channel myself. So let's kick it off today with the Triple F Connection. My god, these guys are unbelievable. They are blasting on their way to 100k subs. Their most recent video is a new park or something, or community was getting opened by the mayor. So they had a car show or car meet, and they brought down all the hypercars. I'd say pretty much all of them. The F40, the P1, Chiron, the R8 was there. I think it was the V10 Plus. GT4 was there. What else was there? I think that was all. There's more there. I can't remember, man. They have so many hypercars. It's just unbelievable the selection they have. Like, it's just, and the editing their editor does is amazing. The way they shoot the footage, just the way the cars are presented, and just the way they go down the road is absolutely fucking amazing. I absolutely love it. These guys are going to blast through 100k subs in no time. And I wonder what other cars, I can't remember what other cars they have, but even Will Motivation was even there with them. I forgot he's from Ohio, I think. And yeah, it was just pretty cool to see the cars up close again, seeing people's reactions. I mean, it's not every day you get to see, you know, a P1 and an F40 and a Chiron all together, etc. You know, it's absolutely nuts, the car collection that they have. I'm presuming they're going to be getting a massive warehouse the way they're going buying cars. Like, it's just insane how well these guys do. Let me know what you think of the Triple F Connection below, guys. They're just such a great channel. I'm going to be covering them more. It's a pity they don't mod cars. They just buy really expensive cars. They're just going to appreciate and value mostly. But my god, they are a fucking sick channel. Next up is going to be Supercars London. I haven't covered him in quite a long while, just because some of his videos have been so shit. He just doesn't talk to his fans or his subscribers in the comments below. It looks like he's getting back into his supercars a bit. He went down to a guy called Caroline Knows. Basically, this video was about a Bugatti killer, you could say. It's basically an R8. I think it was the V10 Plus as well, with a VF Engineering supercharger on it. It's nearly around 800 brake horsepower, around 670-ish foot-pounds of torque. Absolute beast of a thing. They were putting it on the dyno because a customer wanted to buy it, but he wanted the dyno sheet to prove that it was near the numbers. And yeah, it was. So here's a quick clip for you guys. Yeah, guys, what an amazing machine. I mean, if you watch the video, the guy Carl, I think it was, made a good point. If you had 100,000 to spend, what would you spend it on? And I 100% agree. I would buy an R8 and slap a supercharger onto it. It just sounds like a beast. I'd say it's quick as hell. I mean, if I was ever able to get to that situation, it would be definitely one car I would consider buying with a supercharger. I didn't even know you could buy a supercharger for Z4, like, it's insane. But yeah, I mean, just the sound of it, the spiders are gorgeous. They're just an unbelievable machine, the R8s. They're such a great bang for your buck supercar, and I love that spec with the grey, the black wheels is gorgeous, and it sound awesome. So check out the video, guys, if you want. It's you know, Paul, he's getting back slowly, but for a guy that has nearly 900,000 subscribers, his views are way down. It's crazy, but hopefully he'll get back up there eventually. Next up is going to be, we're going to cover Dipper Car. So Dipper Car is basically, after spraying, they're doing more candy concentrates on their, you know, mixing House of Colour with their dip. They put the ZGF, I think it was, over the Hypershift over the car that they sprayed, and they also threw over the candy concentrate purple, and it came out amazing. What I love about this is that, as much as I love the greens and the purples and blue flipping through, this kind of brought it down a bit and made it a bit more of a candy kind of a purple, but with the subtle greens and blues kind of going through it at different angles, which I really liked. It would definitely a colour I would consider spraying, dipping a car. Again, guys, I don't think we can get dip here in Ireland to buy off them to spray. I think I'd be better at more wrapping cars. I will be dipping. I'd probably make an absolute fucking balls of it. But this colour is really sick, and they've hit over 1 million subs as well. So Dipper Car, guys, let me know if you have ever dipped your car, what you think of the colour, because I think it's pretty sick, especially when they've mix it up and do all these different colours. Maybe someday I'll get the Dipper Car, but yeah, just right now I wouldn't be able to tell, but this colour I really do like, so let me know in the comments below. Next up is going to be Elliot Alves, guys. He's got his replacement car after the crazy crash he had with his Z4. He's got his replacement car, and he's bought a Volvo V70, I think it is, or. Now, I know the V70s here, you can get them rear wheel drive, and I used to see them at car shows, and you just see them going around cones and wrecking the place. But his is the R version, which I never even knew existed. I think it's in the early 2000 model. So his one is nearly 296, maybe 300 brake horsepower. Absolute beast of a thing, I'd say. He got it for $4,000. So Elliot, congratulations! Cannot wait to see what you do with it. Like his channel, it's mad. His channels went from like 26,000 subs and is nearly at 30,000 like within, you know, 2 weeks, whatever. It's absolutely nuts. He's been crushing it. So the thing needs a bit of a, I think what his plans are is to bring it back to its originality. I'm sad about that, Elliot, but I love people when they mod cars. I would love to see him wrap it and put on a nice set of rims, slam it, get more power with the engine, put on an exhaust system, make it cool. But, you know, I don't think he's really too much into that. He more wants to make it back to original and, you know, have the system, all the fluids flushed out and replaced, and get this thing back to the way it should be. Can't wait to see this project being done. Highly recommend go and check out Elliot's channel, guys, and check out the video. I'm going to look forward to this build because you know, there's going to be plenty of fun and laughs along with it, and I just like the way he really does his video, so go check it out, link in the description below. And last up on the list, guys, is going to be a small new channel called Pagatti79. So as I said, guys, I do any new channels or small channels around the cars, I will check out your channel. You know, if you mention me on Instagram, if it fits into what I kind of cover here. And yeah, guys, if you want to go and check out his channel and give him a bit of support and say I sent you over, if you're into your VWs, link in the description below. The video I watched was actually a very interesting one. It was about a very rare VW, which is actually extremely rare, is the Harlequin Polo or Golf. It's just, if you've ever heard of one, or if you haven't, go check out his channel about the history of it. He just explains to me it was made, the background story to it, which I never knew. And the things are crazy. I have actually seen an original Harlequin Golf back in a vintage car show in Tipperary here in Ireland a long time ago, back in the early 2000s when I was in my early 20s, and I hadn't a clue what it was. I never knew it was original, I never knew the backstory to it. I remember just seeing it, and yeah, it was a thing, guys. They actually made these cars on purpose, as mad as it sounds, but yeah, they were purposely made. I think over 3,600 thereabouts, but yeah, that was the only time I ever saw one. I don't even know if you can buy them anymore, not new like, but if they're for sale, I'm presuming they'd be very expensive right now if we were to buy them. They were crazy to see in the flesh with all the different colour panels on them. They got some amount of attention. But yeah, Pagani basically 79 just covers the whole story about it. I think he's in Ohio, and hopefully now he can start pushing out content. Obviously the way YouTube goes is the more content you have about supercars and cars, unique cars, and the bigger you get and the more you pump out, the better. So hopefully his channel goes well, guys. Do check it out, link in the description below. Do check out the story about the Harlequin Polo or Golf, because it is quite interesting and such an intriguing, crazy looking car to see. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you a million again if you've watched to the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, do fucking smash the like button. Absolutely destroy it. Even better if you destroy the subscribe button as well. Just help the channel grow, guys. We are getting there slowly but surely to 2,000 subs. And yeah, I don't know if I'll have a video out tomorrow. It was going to be Comment Sunday, but there's no comments this week, so there's not really much I can do unless something pops up that I can cover. But until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.